Hello everybody, welcome to Zhaoshi Machine. Today I'd like to introduce a 3D bending machine to you. This one is our very popular item, the 3D bending forming machines. It can work from 3 mm to 8 mm iron wire and up to 7 mm stainless steel wire. Come. You can work from the wire courier to wire spanning, straightening, feeding, and to bending and cutting. Let's see. Look, this one is for baby car table. Baby table stand, the legs. It also can make a lot of other items like car spare parts and kitchen kits, dishwasher, and a lot of the washroom items. So it's very popular items to working for a lot of the wire products. So if you have interested, please contact us. Thank you.